Right guys, this is the ultimate Thai barbecue dipping sauce. Tangy, sour, sweet and a little bit of heat. It's a must to try. JIM JAEW. Awesome. Right, to start off our sauce then we need to actually toast some rice. Now we would normally use glutinous sticky rice, but you can use any rice. And I'll put a link in the description for you to find out how to toast either version of rice. But we need to toast it, we need to keep it going, keep it moving in the pan, and when it's golden brown turn it off, cool it down, and then we need to grind, and we need to grind into a powder. Now you can have it as coarse or as fine as you want, but normally it will be ground into a nice fine powder, and it just have a little bit of coarse rice in there. For our dipping sauce then, we need to put in a bowl 4 tablespoons of fish sauce. This is always a base flavour in Thai dipping sauces. Okay, and to our fish sauce we want to add 2 tablespoons of tamarind paste. So that's going to give us our nice fruity sourness, and then we want to add 2 tablespoons of lime juice, which will give our sour taste. So we've got a fruity, sour and sour taste. To that we want to add 1.5 tablespoons of palm sugar. Now you can use any sugar, white sugar, brown sugar, palm sugar, any sugar, it doesn't matter. You want 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. I have palm sugar, so I'm using it. Give it a little mix in to dissolve, and then we want to add 1.5 tablespoons of our toasted rice. We want to give that a little bit of a mix in as well, to stop it from clumping up in our wet mixture. Now don't forget, this acts as like a thickening agent in our sauce, and it also gives us our lovely nutty flavour. For our sauce then we want to add some veg. Now what we want to do is add 4 shallots, very thinly sliced. Just be careful of your fingers while you're doing these jobs. So in our sauce then with the onion, and that will take away that slight harsh taste that you have with an onion. And then we want to take 2 or 3 green onions and 2 or 3 twigs of coriander, and we want to slice it very fine and thin, and then add that to our sauce mixture. Give it a good stir in, mix it all up, make sure it's all incorporated in there. Oh, the smell is absolutely fantastic from this. And then we want a whack of chili powder, because this is supposed to be a spicy dipping sauce. Now you can make it as spicy as you like. Now if you only want to put a little bit of chili flakes in there, only put a little bit in. You want to put 2 tablespoons, put 2 tablespoons. It's entirely up to you. And that is our JIM JAEW sauce made. Fantastic as a dipping sauce, nice and thick, bit of texture in there, it will stick to any meat that you dip in and eat with it. So guys, if you like what we're doing, showing you real Thai food, don't forget, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.